I had to learn to be a good husband.
And I had to learn to be a good wife.
Yes,
That's
because
right.
we didn't have the tools. When I decided to become a better man, when I decided to grow, when I decided to elevate my consciousness, my reality of who I am, I became a better man. And by default, it impacts
Yeah.
the marriage in a positive way.
And just thinking about what you just said, it's important that, you know, one person in the marriage be the bigger person, so to speak. Step out and show an example. Grow. When you grow and your wife or your husband see that growth, then they want to grow too. And I say that because when I saw my husband growing, I was like, I said, you ain't leaving me back here. That's basically what I said. And I started doing a lot more reading, and we would share what we read, share different books and different ideas of, stuff that you can research in order to be better, because growth is very important.
It's absolutely important.
It is absolutely
It's critical.
important.